I'm never worried, right? Because I'm a long-term investor and I'm always focused on the long term. So these short intraday choppinesses or even intra-week, intra-month, they never worry me. I worry about like much bigger things that are much further off that are frankly frequently unattainable. So no, I'm not worried about today. In fact, I'm working on adding a new position to the portfolio, which I can't talk about what it is yet, but I'm actually hopeful today that I get some better entry points because of this. So on days like this, I see it as more opportunity than fear. In fact, as you were leading up to this, I was wondering if I could reach across my office, and it's too far away, but I have a bumper sticker that says, I love volatility. And I do love volatility because it creates opportunity. So I appreciate days like this more than I fear them.
All right, so let's talk about the parts of your shopping list you can talk about. What exactly is on there right now?
Well, 2 weeks ago, we added JetBlue. So I thought it was really cool that you had the segment this morning with Scott Berman from PwC, because his whole thesis on, or his whole commentary on the business traveler returning and on leisure picking up the space totally supported our investment thesis on JetBlue. And where we are on that, and you know we're very cash flow oriented. This was in our growth portfolio. So they all have to have a high free cash flow yield. But on this one, we're comfortable being early to that. So on these airlines or on any of the hospitality that you want to look at, you need to be patient and early. But here's the easy thesis on JetBlue. The business traveler's returning. Leisure travel has returned, if not fully, is well en route there. And if JetBlue can get back to the $2 that they earned pre-pandemic, and you give it a 10 times multiple, which isn't much, it's just less than half the market multiple, you have a $20 stock, which is a 40% upside from here. But to your initial point of, do you worry about the volatility today? You need to be patient with this. You need to be early, because we bought it around 15 and change last week, and we're down on it. That's fine. It's a long road ahead. So that's one thing on the shopping list. You want me to do some more? Or
yeah, we've only got about 30 seconds left here. I mean, is there something else? I know that you're a dividend investor. Is there something out there cash flow-wise from a dividend perspective you like?
Yeah, so from the dividend perspective, I love some of my core holdings. Iron Mountain, that trades at 15 times with a 5 and change yield. Verizon, 10 times with a 5% yield. Dow, 8 times with a 4.8% yield. These are all stocks, I think, where you can keep your head down, collect your income, know that you don't have much risk in terms of multiple, and just get through this really tricky market that might kind of unnerve you on individual days and weeks.
Of course.